In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your downstream O2 sensor on a Subaru Crosstrek. This is located under the vehicle on top of the exhaust. Let's get started. To remove the wheel, we're going to use a 19mm socket. Now simply remove the wheel. And we'll do the same on the other side. With the front wheels off the vehicle, we can more easily access the clips holding the splash shield to the vehicle. I'm going to use a pair of clip pliers, but you can use a flathead. And we have one more clip on the front side of the fender liner. And we'll do the same on the other side. With the clips removed from both sides of the vehicle, we can move on to the 12mm bolts on the underside. Pushing from the front of the car to the back, we can remove the splash shield from the bumper. The back portion of the splash shield will be held up by these two little clips. Pop those off and it releases. To undo our connector, press in on the tab. It helps to press in on the back side of the connector. You may need to wiggle it a little and it'll come out. Check your terminals for any corrosion or damage. This looks good. To remove our O2 sensor from the catalytic converter, we're going to be using an O2 sensor socket. This has a small slit in it to allow the wire to go through. This is a 22mm. You can also use a 7/8. You want to make sure that your mounting surfaces and threads are clean. If you need to, you can use a wire brush or a thread chaser if you have it. Our O2 sensors come with anti-seize on the threads. Make sure that there's no anti-seize on the actual element itself. This looks good, so we'll install it. Twist the connector in the direction of installation. That'll help you to not get caught up or snagged while you're installing your O2 sensor. And we'll snug that up. Tighten the O2 sensor until you feel the crush washer seat. Be cautious not to over tighten it. We'll plug our connector in. We'll use a cable tie to secure it to the other wire. And we'll trim off the excess. Before reinstalling the splash shield, make sure you start the engine and there's no check engine light on. If there is, make sure that everything is connected correctly. To reinstall our engine splash shield, we're going to hang it by the hooks on the back. We can leave it hanging there and install our clips on the front. You'll have to flex the splash shield just a little bit to get it to form up into the front of the bumper. Now we'll install our clips. Line the hole in the fender liner up with the hole in the splash shield. You want the top part of your clip to be halfway out so that it will go in. And push in on the clip. Do the same on the other side. We'll reinstall the bolts holding the splash shield in. The long ones go in the front and the short ones go in the back. Tighten these up with our 12mm. To reinstall the wheel, line up the lug studs. If you support the bottom of the wheel, and thread one lug nut all the way in, it'll hold the wheel for you. Now, snug down the lug nuts. Don't over tighten them because you're going to want to be able to torque them after. Now we're going to torque the lugs to 89 foot-pounds. You want to torque in a star pattern, keeping all of the lugs even as you bring them down. And that's how you replace the Downstream O2 sensor on a Subaru Crosstrek. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.